compressor tool. Just cut a piece of tin up and wrapped a couple hose clamps around it. Slide our jug back on the piston. See if I can hold it here while I pop the piston in the head. There we go. Loosen up our hose clamp and your tin will pop loose. Loosen up your other hose clamp. Slide them right out of there. Okay, there you are. Okay, pull your wrenches. Make sure your guide is in a course beforehand. Drop down and pull our chain through here. Keep your crank on top dead center when you're pushing the jug down on the gasket. Wedged our pick in between the crank so she can't rotate when I'm pushing down. Keep grasp on that chain. And just kind of walk her back into the block. Just like so. Verified timing chain is on your gear and move on to the next step. Hey guys, I want to do a quick video on what this tool does. I've had some customers pop over and while they're here, they say, what is this thing? Even the previous dealer I worked for, they always had one sit next to the grinder and people really never used them, but they were wondering what it was for. This tool is called a grinding wheel dresser. What you do is you lay the tool on your base, push towards the grinder with a little bit of pressure, and those two wheels will rotate and eat away, kind of penetrate the stone. And when they turn out like this is when this tool comes into play. Use it to flatten it out. We'll do a quick demonstration. We'll work it back and forth. Major turnout, major difference. Look at that, good as new.
Yo, drop your glasses, shake your asses, face screwed up like you having hot flash.
Meanwhile,
Bring through. This one? Okay. So they are in one unit. You cannot separate the hub from the bearing. Sure. So you need something to go in and mount like this. Sure. Otherwise you will damage the wheel bearings if you push here.
Yes, correct.
So I can show you a demo?
Sure, yes.
Always work on the car because you lose 1 hour every time you go to the shop place.
That is awesome. I love that.
Put the bearing in. And now you're only pushing on the bearing.
Yes. So you can actually separate them.
And these are adjustable, so you can fit all the small ones and the big ones in one unit. You don't have to buy different sizes or something, you just buy one.
Wow.
That's it.
That works perfect. Love that.
15 to 20 minutes on the car instead of 1.5 hours on the bench. Some people also leave it to a machine shop. pay them $50, $60.
Right, just to press it out.
They can keep
But
the
then you
money
got to take the whole
themselves.
knuckle
They
out.
can make a lot more money every day if they have the right tools.
Yeah.
Back side of that, the side of the jet.
Yeah. So this is generation 2. Yeah, this is a generation 2.
Yeah.